Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a acne video because I do not have acne prone skin, but a few months ago I noticed that my acne was like coming more and more and more, and I'm used to those pimples that come once a month, you know, when it's the time of the month, and I know those type of pimples, but my face was just breaking out way too much and I was super scared. I didn't know what to do, and I was just trying out different products, and then I finally found products that work for my skin and that help me get rid of some of the acne and the acne spots. Like, it's just been such a struggle trying to deal with the acne, so I finally got these products. And I also have a DIY mask, and it's going to be using turmeric. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I'm going to show you guys like how good it is. Like, I'm gonna give you all that information, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are interested in the products that I use for my acne, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just wanted to disclaim real quick that these products did work out for me. What may work for me may not work for you, so I don't want anyone getting upset that it didn't work out for you. You always have to look around, find different options that do work out for you, but these products did work out. I mean, I hope that they do work out for you. I'm just hoping and praying. Like, they did work out for me, so I'm hoping that it worked out for you. That is why I am sharing all the products and everything that I used on my face to help me get rid of some of the acne on my face. So I just wanted to disclaim that real quick, but let's jump into the video. So I was on a hunt looking for products to help me with the acne, and one thing that I had to do was change what I was drinking and what I was eating, because I figured out that I was taking in way too much dairy, way too much dairy. I was just, my creamer was dairy for my milk, for my coffee in the morning. Like, I was just eating cheese, eating ranch. Ranch has dairy, a lot of ranch. Like, I had to change it up because I knew that it had to be that I was taking in way too much dairy. When I was drinking the soy creamer, the soy milk creamer, I wasn't even breaking out that much. So I was like, you know what, I have to go back to what I was doing before to see if it helps with my skin, because I'm telling you guys, all that breakout was coming out on my skin. I was like, oh my god, like, I don't know what to do, because I've never breaking out on my face so much that I was like in shock that my face was even doing that. So I figured it out. I was like, you know what, I have to change my diet. I have to stop consuming too much dairy. Don't get me wrong, I still eat cheese, I still, you know, once in a while, but I just limit the dairy products that I eat and drink. So yeah, that was one of the issues that I was facing, was I was just consuming way too much dairy. So I cut that down. That was the first thing that I did, was cut down the dairy products that I was taking in. And then I started looking for a cleanser. I needed a cleanser to help me with the acne, so I found this one from Biore, I think I'm saying it right, and this is the charcoal mask. Now guys, this mask is awesome. It's a very good mask. It did help me a lot with my acne. I mean, I still use it every single day, and I just apply it on the areas where I had the breakouts so they don't keep coming back. So that's what I use this for. The smell to this is very strong. As soon as you apply it on your fingers and start rubbing it, you smell like the medicine of the formula that it has in it. Like, it's just so strong. But once you apply it to your skin and start rubbing, and like, the smell goes away instantly. But I mean, if you are very sensitive to smell, you're definitely not gonna like this one, but this definitely did work out for me Personally, I love it. It's really, really good, and it's very inexpensive. I think I got this at Walmart for $4, and it's not a bad product. I absolutely love it. I was trying to do as many masks as possible. So one of the masks that I did love was this one from Free Man, Feeling Beautiful. This is the Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask, and this instantly clears pores and balances for renewal skin. This is such a good mask, very good to help with the pores. I definitely love it. You can find this one at Walmart also, and this one is, I think, $3. You cannot go wrong with this mask. $3 for this mask, and it's such an awesome mask. So this definitely does help with some of the acne. I wouldn't say it helps 100%, but it did help me with my acne, getting rid of like the dark spots and stuff. Like, this absolutely does work for my skin. And then another mask that I did want to mention was a DIY mask. Now this mask I did find out on the internet, and I wanted to share with you guys also. It's a turmeric and coconut oil mask. I'm going to insert a clip right here for you guys to show you how I like prepare it. I just put the turmeric, I put a teaspoon and a teaspoon of the coconut oil, and I just mix it and then apply it to my skin. And then I'm gonna show you guys a picture of me right here with the mask. And the one thing that I do have to say about the mask is that you have to wear gloves, because that turmeric is so yellow and very like pigment. Like, oh my god, like that got all over my fingernails, my hands. My hands were yellow. Like, you have to wear gloves, because that just gets everywhere, all up in your nails. Like, I have white nails now, but I had like a pink blush color. I'm telling you guys, I had to go with the alcohol and I had to like rub it off, because that's how strong that turmeric is. But that mask was so good. It does help with dark spots. That I could definitely say, it does help eliminate dark spots. So if you are suffering from dark spots, I definitely recommend doing this DIY turmeric mask. I will leave a link down below the mask, to the link that I saw on the internet. I'm gonna leave it down below so you guys could try out the different recipes. You don't only have to use coconut oil, you could use all different types of things. So I will leave that down below for you guys to check that out, because I love it. I definitely recommend it, and I do recommend that you do it at least 2 to 3 times a week to help eliminate the dark spots on the face. So I definitely recommend that DIY turmeric mask, because it's really good. And okay, so next I have is skincare. So after I cleanse my face, I put my mask on. If I put a mask on that day, because I don't put mask every single day, like I put it like every other day, or like once a week, depends. So after that I go into my skincare, and then next I go in with my toner. This is my absolute favorite toner, just because of the acne problem that I was having. This is the Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Toner. This has salicylic acid and acne medication, treats and helps prevent pimples, and oil free. I know you have seen this before. This you can find this like at Walmart or Target, like any drugstore. You can find this, and it's such a good toner. Definitely recommend it. If you do not use a toner in your skincare, come on girl, you need to add a toner to your skincare, because a toner is very good for the skin. And definitely if you have pimples and you have those breakouts, this is so good for that. It has that medication smell also, but it does help with the pimples. I'm telling you guys, this is an awesome product, and I definitely recommend it. Absolute favorites. Talk to you guys about this skincare. You guys are gonna look at me like, girl, that is so expensive. But you know what, I went on Sephora and I went to see if they had a travel size of the what is this called, the Drunk Elephant skincare. I've been hearing so much good stuff about the Drunk Elephant skincare. That is so good, but I don't want to pay the price of $80 for a bottle of a product that I've never tried before. So girl, go on Sephora and go on the travel size section, and you guys are gonna find products that are so expensive for such a cheap price, just for you to try it out. Like, I got this as a travel size with another serum. It's an oil, but I want to talk about this one in particular. So it came with two, and it was only $28 for the two. Now a bottle like this, or bigger bottle like this, is about 80 bucks. Now I didn't want to spend 80 bucks on a product that I have never tried before. I've never tried it. I don't know how it's gonna work on my skin or anything like that. So I was like, no, let me try the travel size and see if it works for me. If it works for me, I might invest in one of the Drunk Elephant's bigger bottles, but let's see. But guys, I am obsessed with this. This is so good on the skin. It has helped my skin so much, and it just makes my skin so glowy. And this is the night serum from Drunk Elephant, and this is so good, guys. Like, I have to show you. Look at how cute the little bottle is. But this is such an awesome product, and I'm telling you guys, like, this has changed my skin very, very good. Like, the texture that I was having on my skin has vanished. Like, that's how good this serum is. Like, this is so awesome. I definitely recommend you trying out at least the travel size. I don't want you guys going out there and spending 80 bucks on a big old bottle when you could just go and try this skincare for just way cheaper than 80 bucks. I definitely recommend this. I love it. It's such an awesome serum. I use it every single day. I just love it. It just helps my skin so much, and I can see like some of my acne spots just like disappearing every single day, and I'm obsessed. I love it, guys. I definitely recommend that for sure. And then the next product I'm going to talk about is a oil. This is the Kheils Midnight Recovery Oil. Guys, this oil is heaven. When I say heaven, this oil is awesome. I also got this as a little sample size from Sephora. Like, I didn't purchase this this was like one of the perks from Sephora, and I've been obsessed ever since I got it. I am obsessed. I usually apply it right here under my eyes and where I have the acne spots. Oh my god, guys, I'm telling you guys, these two together are such an awesome combo. Like, I've been obsessed for like months. Like, I've been obsessed. Like, I wanted to make sure that these products worked out so I can mention it to you guys, because I didn't want to try something for a month and just say, oh yeah, it did work for me. No, I've been trying these for the last few months now, and I am obsessed. I am so happy with these two products that, like, I had to mention it to you guys, especially if you guys have the acne prone skin, or you have like acne that just came out all of a sudden, and it's like, what in the world happened to you? Like, why is my skin acting like this? Like me, like, it was just such a shocker. So I love those two products. They're like my absolute favorite. If I run out, I definitely need to pick up more, because like that skincare routine that I've been doing has helped my skin so much, and I'm just obsessed. Now, I do get those little once a month period acne that, you know, they always come up no matter what. So I always try to treat it with this Mario Badescu drying lotion. I know you guys heard it before. This is awesome. Like, the other day when it was like the time of month, like couple of weeks ago, I had one coming out like right here in the center. I was like, no honey, where you think you're going? I put this, and the thing the next morning disappeared like that fast. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I repurchased this like about 3 times already. Like, that's how good it is. I love it. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it. It is a little pricey. It's about $17 for this bottle right here, but I definitely feel like it's definitely worth the money. That lasts me about a month or two. Hey, it's definitely worth the $17, because if it's gonna help you eliminate the acne, then why not? Why not buy it? Because it's just gonna help you anyways. So yeah, those are all the products that worked for me to get rid of the acne. I'm gonna show you guys a picture right here of the acne on my face when I had it really bad, and then I'm gonna show you guys another picture of me, how my skin is looking now without the makeup. So yeah, these products are awesome. I love them. I love the DIY mask. I hope all these products are very helpful for you if you guys are suffering from acne. Let me know if you guys try out the products, if they work for you. If they don't, I'm sorry. I mean, they did work for me. I just wanted to share with you guys all the products that did work. And yeah, if you guys are interested in all these products, I will leave the names to them all down below in the description box. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.